In this exercise, we're going to cover generative wireframe and surfacing. I'm going to show you CATIA V5 as well as the 3D experience so you can see they're almost identical. If you can do one, you can do the other. So on your resume, you'll be comfortable noting both. This right here is a workbench called generative wireframe and surfacing. And if I go to my CATIA, this is part design that we've been using a lot of. Now we're going to talk about this feature here. This is a application, or what I call workbenches, generative shape design surface. So I'd like you to make a picture of that. Make a picture up here that you know how to find generative wireframe and surfacing. And can you on your own find where these features are and identify what they would be? Hopefully some of them are quite obvious. For example, we have points, lines, and planes, circles. If I were to go to 3D experience, where would I find those? Under wireframe, make a picture that you found this under wireframe, and that's where these are located. See how they look almost identical from 3D experience to what we're at now, or where CATIA V5 was. So you have circles, and if I select the circle down arrow, see these options? They look the same as these right here, right? All right, so that's where you find those. So I want to get a picture of this down here. This is the change from V5 to the 3D experience. So these are the most common applications or workbenches used. So I'd like you to find these and put them in your favorites under 3D. Under my favorites, you can drag and drop the most common features you'll use. Again, if you're looking for generative wireframe, you could do a search and type in wireframe, and there it is, and then you'll be able to drag it into your favorites. All right, what I want to do is get a list of your favorites. We got to get rid of wireframe up here. Be able to take a snapshot of your favorites to show me that you found all of these workbenches, also known as applications now. And then we'll go into creating some simple lines.